In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a brake light switch on a Nissan Sentra. It is located on top of the brake pedal. Let's get started. You're going to want to make your way to your brake pedal. As you can see, here's our brake pedal. We're going to follow up and find these two switches. The one we'll be replacing is the top one, which is your brake light switch. I'm going to grab a hold of it, push down, and twist counterclockwise. I'm going to pull it out. So on one side of the sensor, there's going to be a push pin. I'm going to push it in and firmly slide the sensor out of the harness. There it is. Quick inspection for any corrosion or damage. And now to install our new sensor, I'm going to grab the harness, locate the clip. I'm going to push it until I hear an audible click. Now slide it in. Remember, firmly push down and twist at the same time. You'll be spinning clockwise. And that completes our install. You're going to want to go ahead and start your vehicle, verify all your brake lights work, and take it for a test drive. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.